after close here. And how to put this plastic? You need to base this drawing. You see, like this one, and you put here. But you must be before the machine. When you take the machine, this one is the close. You must be open here and here. Here, oh, is the open, and the plastic, like the drawing, coming like this one then. This is the power, open here. Eddie 你考，可以你落嘅。哎呀，一口埋到。好寒啊！喂，你不如你甩手啊，你先接夠用啊，得啊。If the machine, sometimes when this plastic come here, if he working is not quickly, that is not normal. Maybe the question is happened for this one. Here, this one you need to take open this part because this the plastic cover in here. You need to clean. You need to clean the plastic. This one, and then close. Because if you packing is the popsicle, sometimes he have water come in here. So every time we need to clean the water for here. Cannot keep the water come down in this part.